Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I thought ratio analysis. In the part of ratio analysis, I already explained problem and solution at the same time theoretical part also. Today our topic is this is the last topic in fifth unit, funds flow statement and cash flow statement. This is the important topic and major topic in fifth unit. So in this funds flow and cash flow statement, first let us we are going to discuss with the funds flow statement. So funds flow statement, why we need funds flow statement, what are the objectives we have in this part in accounting statement. So funds flow statement, so first one, the funds flow statement. So let it be that what is funds means movement. Funds means movement of cash. Funds means movement of cash. Flow means so we have two types of flows, that is what inflow and outflow. Inflow and outflow. So flow means this is what outgoing, getting inside. Flow inflow means getting inside, outflow means we are giving to others, means from here to funds movement to from inside to outside. That's why we are call it as a outflow. Okay, so going out, that is what outflow. So inflow means getting inside and outflow means getting outside, the cash getting outside and cash getting inside. It's called inflow and outflow. We call it as a inflow and outflow. So this means funds means movement of cash. Flow means inflow and outflow, raising the funds. Statement, so what is the statement? The funds is going or not. Funds is going or not. So funds is going or not, from inside to other side, from outside to inside, it is called a statement. We have to prepare the statement of assets and liabilities. It is called it as a statement. That's why we are calling statement. Now the point is funds flow statement. So funds flow statement, what are the objective means, give the knowledge of statement, give the knowledge of statement. So which statement? A financial statement. Give the knowledge of statement. So these funds flow statement and cash flow statement, these funds flow statement and cash flow statement, these funds flow and cash flow statement, these both are management subject. Funds flow and cash flow statement are management subject. Funds flow and cash flow statement are management subject. So this is the major subject in accounting section. This is the major subject in accounting statement. So you must have it thoroughly knowledge, you must have a thoroughly knowledge of financial accounting. And previous class I already taught the financial accounting. So in this financial accounting, so we have three types of accounts, that is what trading account and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So thoroughly you have a knowledge of final accounts, that is what trading account and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So the major things are reflected from the financial accounting. Through this financial accounting we are going to prepare the funds flow statement. The funds flow statement, write down definition of funds flow statement. Definition of funds flow statement, simply remember students, funds flow statement prepared, funds flow statement prepared to analyze the reasons. Okay, analyze the reasons for changes in financial position, for changes in financial position, for changes in financial position, for changes in financial position of company between two balance sheets, it shows the inflow and outflow. So between two balances, we have two balances in funds flow statement, two balance sheets we have. So that is what in between inflow statement and outflow statement. We call it as an inflow statement and outflow statement. So these funds, that is we call it as a source and application. We are tabulating inflow and outflow, we are tabulating in, we are call it as a source and application inside applications. source and application. Dear students, simply remember funds flow statement. The funds flow statement means give the knowledge of statement. Which statement? Financial statement. I already taught in financial statement, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow and funds flow and retained earnings. I taught in previous class already. So that is when we are getting a knowledge of financial statement. Now the financial statement should explaining about the financial statement prepared to analyze the reasons, okay, reasons for changes in financial position, of a company, to changes in how to make the changes in financial position. So that's why we are using the funds flow statement in between two balance sheets. That is what inflow and outflow. We call it as a in funds flow means source and outflow means application. So whenever we are doing the problem, so we are tabulating the sources and application. So this is what funds flow statement. So what are the importance of funds flow statements? So importance of funds flow statement, the first one is financial consequences. So in these financial consequences means, so we have different kind of rules and regulations, regulations as per the accounting standards. Compulsory we have to follow the financial consequences. That is what rules and regulations of financial statements, that is must compulsory. We should follow the financial consequences according to companies act. So that's why in consequences we have profit and loss and assets, balance sheet and everything. We should be measuring the according to we should be measuring the financial transactions according to financial consequences. So liabilities is there, assets is there and expenses is there, and bills payable is there and bills receivables is there. According to, we are going to record the financial consequences in particular book. Next, financial policies and dividends. So financial policies and dividend means the changes of policies in every year. So in every academic year, changes of policies and amendment of policies, amendment of policies. So compulsory we should follow the financial policies, dividends. So changes of policies and amendment according to companies act. The every company make some changes for every year, even though financial transactions or material prosperity and assets prosperity and liabilities prosperities, whatever. So as per according to company side, we make some changes for every year. That's why we call it as a financial policies and dividends. This is what funds flow statement second method. Next one, financial budget. It is completely related to investment budget, raise the funds and investments, raise the funds and investment, minimizing the funds also, minimizing the funds. So how to raise the funds, then what are the investment, what are the shareholders we have in this financial budget. Every year we are going to calculating in through financial budget. That's why we are call it as a financial budget. In this financial budget involved capital, reserves, funds and investment and minimizing funds and raising funds, everything or we are going to record in financial budget. Next one is points out week, financial position. So financial position means these financial position should measure the business strategy and financial position. Okay, sinking the position and funds sinking position and budget sinking position and everything we are going to measure in this financial position. Next, balances of creditors. I already said na, balance sheet is completely related to balance sheet. In this balance sheet, it is a statement, it is not an account. So these balance sheet should be measured the financial strategy and financial strength and capability. So that's why the balances and creditors, it should be involved in assets and liability. So these kind of balances are creditors, balances and creditors are involved in assets. Okay, the next one is source of funds. So source of funds, these source of funds these source of funds inflicted on inflow and inflicted on inflow, cash inflow and cash outflow. That's why I already said in few seconds back, inflow and outflow means source and applications. The source and application. So what are the sources? How do we are how do how do we take the funds from one other side to inside. So that's why we call it as a source of funds. So what are the sources? How do we get the funds from other side? How do we get the funds from other side? So performance, preference shares, equity shares, and share capital, these things are involved in source of funds. So this is the important of funds flow statement. So these are the important points of funds flow statement. The next one, so preparation of funds flow. How do we prepare the preparation of funds flow statement? So we have three steps is there. That is what first one is schedule of changes in working capital, and next one is adjusted profit and loss account, and next one is funds flow statement. So schedule of changes in working capital, this is the first account. After that, after this is for primary account in funds flow statement, this is first statement, and next statement adjusted profit and loss account, and third statement funds flow statement. These three accounts are important. Whenever we are going to prepare the funds flow statement, compulsory we need to prepare these three accounts. That is what preparation of funds flow statement. So how many we are prepared in the schedule of working capital. The first one is schedule of changes in working capital, next adjusted profit and loss, and next funds flow statement. This is the preparation of funds flow statement. Then